Sends. Oh, wait.
Dad?
All right, come on, over the plate. Let's see the old stuff here, pal. Come on now. Chuck 'em, baby. Hum, baby, hum, baby. Here's the pitch. Out of here!
Mama, another gator got in the house.
Another gator? Give me that shovel. Come here.
Get him, Mom. Get that gator.
No, Coral, don't. They'll be fine. Just get inside you right now.
Incoming! Outgoing!
Wait!
Oh no!
It's you! I found you!
Mort?
It's just as well he might be hungry.
Don't worry, whales don't eat clownfish, they eat krill.
Swim away!
Oh look, krill!
Move, Dory! Move!
I can't control it.
No one beats Victor Quatermain!
Is that so? Consider yourself dumped.
Dear old mom and loving dad.
Give me the plan.
Take this, Daddy-O! It's a real gas!
Plan D! Yeah! Thighs hurting, drumsticks burning, but loving you.
I think this is it. I'm going far away.